Hi everyone, I want to sing Spring is in the Air. Can you feel it all around you? But I won't because my singing's really bad. But anyway, welcome to my place and welcome to Spring Designing. And for those of you who love spring as much as I do, I have got you covered because my beautiful blooms here at Prestige Botanicals last and last and last, which is fabulous. So this first design I want to share with you is into one of my lovely paint finish pots. This is a ordinary everyday terracotta garden pot. All I've done is given it a wee wash on the outside and then use my stencils and just stamp that on. I'll show you how to make this vase in due course. I love this, I'm calling this hydrangea my new growth green because that's exactly what it reminds me of. So I've got one on this side and one over the other side, and I've got this lovely blush one which I've put one to the front and one to the back. Couple of pieces of the green hydrangea leaf, one into there, one into there, and I've got, look at these. Oh, I love that. Look at that. That's just like the most delicious little sasanqua camellia you've ever seen. I absolutely love and adore it. So with these, I'm just going to put one over to there and a shorter one with it. And whoop, I don't want that to bend. And then I'll bring another one over to there, like, oops, what's happening here? Hold on, I'm going to have to bend this up. That's the beauty of working with artificial. You can bend and manipulate it to go whichever way you want. Look at these parrot tulips. The most beautiful green that you ever did see. I just absolutely love it. So I'm going to bring 3 over to there so that they just fall down, and with these I'm going to take those and put those up and into the center, and I'll just bring that around like that. Now when it comes to tulips, fresh or artificial, they have a life of their own, so don't be knocking yourself around by getting them to do what you want them to do. Now I just have to have a look and see what I'm achieving here. Just need to bend that round just a little bit, and then I've got, look at those gorgeous little anemones. I just want 2 of those to go into the center. Spring designing as it should be, quick and easy. And when you're sick of it, you can just strip it and start again. See you again another day.